Mm. This is the big one. It looks like a small hills. Oh. We
I'm not
have
sure
like
they
this.
can say the terms are like the family of the kingdom.
We have this one small hills in the Philippines in Bohol, but it's not a tomb.
Yeah, there's the chocolate hill. In the
Yeah, in the
Bohol.
chocolate
Yeah.
hills. That,
This is really different. That's not a thing.
did you have been there?
The hills are already under the sea, but after the
They call-
volcano.
The volcano?
Mm.
Oh, that's the other ano. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of